to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Alright, what's up everybody? I'm sitting in the truck waiting on a customer to pull up. I done took another small job, a Pontiac G6 panoramic sunroof going in a box Chevy. The thing is, he gonna bring the Pontiac G6, also the box Chevy, so he gonna bring two cars with him. He's supposed to be dialing the Pontiac G6 and driving the box Chevy. He said the box Chevy pretty clean. I think he said it had 14,000 original miles on it. But we'll see once he pull up. And like I said, I'm taking only small jobs right now. I ain't taking no really paint jobs because I ain't got no booth to do it, but I can do the small jobs outside. Anything like a roof or something, maybe redoing the top, I can take. But when he get here, I'll cut y'all back on.
A few moments later.
Alright, we got him pulling up now. Let me cut this off here. We got him pulling up with the box Chevy and the G6, with the Pontiac G6. They made it. Well, I thought he was gonna dial it, but it looked like he got a trailer for it. Here's the box Chevy here. What's going on with you now?
What's going on?
How to pronounce your name? Leander?
I used to say Dave.
Dave?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dave, yep. What's going on?
All right. Why don't you tell me a little bit about your box Chevy here?
Man, it's been a journey with building it. Seen you on YouTube, man, and said I had to have you be a part of it, man. I know you had your shop going on,
yeah,
and stuff and your rebuild, so I pay attention to the videos because I'm a loyal subscriber to your channel, and so I seen that you took a couple small projects, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna try to get in there. And
how you got in touch with me? Because a lot of people be wondering.
I looked up under your SprayWayCustoms and emailed you, and you contacted me as soon as you got my email.
Yeah, that's what I be telling everybody. You gotta send me an email. If you're serious, you know, I look at it. You know, I get a lot of emails daily, so I just scan through them.
Yeah.
Then if I feel like you're serious, you know, because I think we emailed maybe four times before, before we had made a decision on it. Okay, now you said this box Chevy here had what, 14,000 original miles?
17.
17,000? Same thing.
I bought it out of South Carolina.
South Carolina. I don't know why I was thinking it was gray for some reason. Maybe because of the interior. Yeah. How's it going? All right.
That's my nephew.
Okay. Yeah, see, you got a center console in here. Look at the seats. Oh, you got a real center console too. You got a real center console. Okay. Yeah, this clean here.
I got the top piece, but I just didn't put it in yet. I got to take the brake light out.
You say the top piece?
Yeah, I got the top console part.
Oh, okay.
I just ain't put it in yet.
Yeah. This a what, a 89 you say?
89, yeah.
Yeah, because I see the seat belts in the back here. I don't know. Yeah, the 90, they put the seat belts on the doors. Drove it all the way from Marietta, Georgia. So y'all know it's a good car. Y'all don't have no problem?
Nah, not at all, man.
Okay.
Straight here. Right down the road.
Yeah. Like it was 1989, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
It's the original motor and everything in it?
Yeah, original motor in it and everything.
Let me pop the, pop the hood. Oh, you got speakers down here and the kick? I think the kick pod
might be in the way a little.
Yeah, kick pod.
Yeah, it might be.
What color you gonna paint it?
It's almost like caramel like color. It's House of Candy color.
Oh, it's gonna be.
Yeah, I'm not a pronouncer.
It's gonna be candy. candy
It's like
caramel.
a candy caramel, yeah.
It's like is it a Brandywine or something? Or
A little bit lighter than that. A little bit lighter than that.
root beer?
Yeah, like a root beer, but a little bit lighter than the root beer.
I think that's what color I'm going with on my OBS.
Oh, your
root beer.
okay.
Yeah. Root beer or Brandywine. I don't know why I was thinking this car was great for some reason. I guess because you sent me pictures of the interior, so I was thinking it was great. Yeah. Yeah, this top look good though.
This garage kept. That's why I said when you take it off, I don't think it may leave some that.
Yeah.
This garage kept. Like I said, I ain't changed nothing on dashboard or anything.
Yeah, it's hard to find them like this here. Y'all look at that dashboard. Oh yeah. Now this the Pontiac G6 here I was telling y'all about. Now what's the story on this here?
The Pontiac G6, I went and got it out of Kentucky. I was looking for one, going to salvage yards, couldn't find it, man. I kind of got tired of it, so I went on, what's that called? Facebook Marketplace. Guy had one in Kentucky in the country. And my wife drove out, gave me the car for a good price, brought it on.
Yeah. And he said,
serious about what you're doing.
oh yeah, you gotta go on and do
You
it.
gotta go on and do it.
And he said he got it just for the roof.
Yep, just for the roof. Go to salvage yard after that, I don't care what happens.
Yeah, I told him, shoot, I hate to send a car to the yard.
Yeah.
I like to save him. But he said he got an oil leak on it. And is it a major oil leak?
No, I don't think it's nothing major. I don't think it's
It might
major.
just be the oil pan or something.
Yeah. It could be something simple.
Yeah, something simple.
You know, I just want the roof to open and pop back what you did.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I see, you know, my value in it. But I said it ain't a bad car.
No.
Inside's pretty clean. I don't know if you can see. It's pretty clean car inside.
Oh yeah.
Runs pretty good, starts up pretty good. The brakes kind of then went down, you know. They're just probably bleeding them. I had it probably sitting in the yard probably, I think about 3 months, three months.
What y'all think? Y'all think I ought to, once we take the roof out of it, I ought to keep it and try to fix it instead of taking it to the scrap yard? Because they ain't gonna probably give you much for it at the scrap yard.
I said it looked like it had good tires on it and everything. Like
Yeah.
Bad car, original rims on it.
Yeah, chrome wheels.
The paint, and, you know, over the time.
It's hard to find these roofs now though. I think I got 3 of them.
You got
3. Yeah, I hate to get rid of them too. Everybody be trying to buy them.
I'm trying to find me another one just in case I have any issues. I have
Yeah.
bag up. That's
Yeah, I got one for parts too.
Okay.
But the other 2 good though. But I got one. It worked though, but it's just mainly for parts. Cause you know sometimes the glass get off track. Yeah. Gotta be on the safe side with them. But I like them roofs better. I like all of them. And they look good in the LS Brougham too.
Oh yeah. That to me, I seen one online. I haven't seen one online. A gray one. I seen when I pop up on YouTube.
Yeah.
When I seen the car, I was like, yo, I'm gonna go get that car.
Yeah.
And I put that exact roof in.
Yeah.
And so I went researching from there, man, and it was just when something grabbed you, just be
Oh
like,
yeah, you gotta go on and do it. I'm the same way. Yeah, I supposed to be going out of town now trying to find some roofs.
Okay.
Yeah, probably I might go to tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and get it unloaded and I'll cut y'all back on.
One eternity later.
Alright y'all. Y'all see who done showed up?
Hey man, I done showed up, man. Y'all know I had a long night.
Said he had a long night. But we got the cars back here. We got the Pontiac G6 over here. And the box Chevy over here. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be doing a panoramic swap. I'll probably start on it tomorrow, early in the morning. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get it done. I got to looking at the mileage. I probably said it had 17,000 original miles. That's probably when he bought it, because now it's got 43,000. He had his oil change at 41,112. Now it's 43,686. So it probably had 17,000 miles when he bought it. And this was 2023 when it had 41,000 miles on it. But all in all, it's a clean car. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. It still got the chrome trim on the hood. Y'all know, if y'all familiar with box Chevys, you hardly ever see this chrome trim that's on the hood. It's still on the hood. But I was wondering, you know, I guess in '89 they might have removed this chrome that was right here, because they usually have a piece of chrome right there. But this plastic piece of chrome usually be missing on most box Chevys, and it's hard to find that piece there. It's missing the front bumper filler. But y'all know, those bumper fillers always bad on these box Chevys. The front and the rear. But I think the rear still good. Yeah, the rear still good. It's just that front.